What's going on, everyone? This is Drew of Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo Cars in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2021 BMW M5 competition. This vehicle is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it can do 0 to 60 in roughly 3 seconds, which is pretty insane. I don't think I've ever actually driven the F90 M5 before, so I'm excited to do so today. You have a 3-spoke M steering wheel. You also have this nice trim in the interior. You also have ambient lights, of course. You have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the M gauge cluster. You have the Harman Kardon sound system, massaging seats, which is really cool. You also have heated and ventilated seats, and it's cool how it has a screen over here. I have a 2021 G80 M3, as you guys know, so I'm interested to see how this compares as a 2021 BMW M vehicle. I like the shifter, it's pretty cool. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 view camera. My family used to own a BMW X3M 2020, which had the same shifter. But yeah, I believe in like 2022 they went to like the leather shifter. I actually think this looks cooler because it looks more like mechanical. You have the center console storage over there. You have a wireless charging tray, as you can see my phone in there. You also have the cup holders. BMW M key fob. Looks like a standard key fob, except you have like the BMW M colors. This is the key on my G80. So, I mean, mine looks a little less fancy. So, looks like this one has a fancier key. And you have really comfortable black seats in here. Nice headrest. Also has the M5 logo that lights up at nighttime. But let's walk around this car and we'll get out on the road, see how it drives. And it's also an all-wheel drive vehicle, so puts down power really well. Oh, that sounds amazing. Says M5 competition over there. This one's finished in individual adventure in red metallic, rare color, looks really cool. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. You also have the blue BMW M Performance compound brakes. Really distinctive daytime running lights, and I like the grille. Good looking car. I like the way this looks better than the G90 M5, the new one. Quad outlet exhaust, and I really like the taillights. You also have a little carbon fiber deck lid spoiler, not sure if that's factory or not. Here's the trunk. And you also have a carbon roof, that's why it doesn't have a sunroof. Same situation in my car. I really like having a sunroof, but I was able to give it up because I have a carbon roof, which looks awesome. That sounds ridiculous. But let's see what this M5 is made of. Oh my god, that sounds so crazy. This car just has so much power on tap, it's like ready to go. Like you just start it up and the car's like shaking, like it's ready to rumble. Yeah, that is really, really fast. Wow. Wow, that is ridiculously fast. That is insane. And I made a video on the new M5 recently as well, like a month ago maybe, and this obviously feels way lighter than that. The handling of this one, the steering's heavier, the car feels lighter, and because it is, because the new M5 is really, really heavy in general, you know? But that is ridiculous power, absolutely insane. Wow. And you can adjust the harshness of the gear shifts right here. Yeah, that is fun. can see how nimble this thing is in traffic. Like, you can just switch from lane to lane with ease. You know? So powerful. That is just awesome. Yeah, this is a serious machine, that's for sure. It is a very serious performance vehicle. And I really like the iDrive 7 gauge cluster, especially in the M cars. That's why I have the same gauge cluster in my car, which I really like, because the newer M cars just have a giant iDrive 8 display, and it takes away from the specialty factor of having an M cockpit, you know, because it looks like every other BMW, and the gauge cluster looks so dumb. It just has the speed and a really like dumb looking tack. So I feel like this looks so much better and more timeless, because these newer BMW iDrive 8 screens are going to be outdated so fast. And these iDrive 7 screens are going to age very gracefully for being more analog looking, especially with the normal size screen and this gauge cluster. It's going to look way more classic, even 5 to 10 years from now, you know? So I'm glad I have iDrive 7. Yeah, this thing is crazy. Absolutely crazy vehicle. Wow. That is awesome. That's awesome. Like right when you put your foot on the accelerator in this car, it'll just throw you back in your seat without warning. It is just so powerful. 600 horsepower is no joke. That is more than some exotic supercars have. This car literally feels like a supercar in a sedan. The M5 truly is a super sedan. That's the thing with BMW. Like, they don't have a two-door exotic car. Like, you know, even Mercedes, Audi with R8, etc., McLaren, etc. They just don't have a exotic car, because BMW M's division puts a supercar horsepower in sedans and SUVs. Steering is so good. What a car. This is an absolutely amazing vehicle. It's just the backup camera. Park in this spot real quick. Very useful backup camera. BMW's camera is awesome. Very useful. But anyways, great day driving this 2021 BMW M5 competition. Absolutely fun to drive. It looks such a rocket, and I really love this vehicle. And this one's really rare with the Adventure in red individual color and the black, and nice combo with the black interior and the wheels and everything like that. And thanks to the general manager Alex here at Grubbs Volvo and his team for letting me drive this vehicle today. Grubbs Volvo always has some awesome cars. Check out all of Grubbs Volvo's other awesome vehicles on my channel and in the link below to Grubbs Family Dealerships. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I'll catch you all in the next one. I'm out.